Greetings, Earthman, Origami's living soil. Knowing that God is good and He's thinking about you right this second. And what we have here is a grow report on a couple of tomato plants I'm growing. They are the Genovese plant. Genovese is an Italian heirloom plant, kind of like their American beefsteak. Very delicious. Moisture is great. Awesome taste. Slightly acidic. I like it. I like making a sauce with it, a marinara, a nice sassy sauce there, and it's good to make, whatever. Put on a sandwich or open it up and stuff it. There's so many uses for Genovese. As you can see, I got some coming in. There they are. And I got some more over here. And yeah, I saved these seeds from a plant a couple years ago that I was growing. A real true champ, huge plant, and produced many Genovese tomatoes that were beautiful, huge, beautiful, juicy. And so these plants are about, I would say, 3.5 feet tall or so, maybe bigger. Very sturdy plants, very thick stem, um, very aggressive grow. Makes lots of beautiful tomatoes that are just delicious. As you see, I got a lot of blooms coming up here, and this baby is going to crash the cage. So what I might do is lean these toward my trellis system so they can just go high as they can get. So um, yeah, there you go. Sorry about switching this back and forth like this, but that way you can get the full look at the plant. So Genovese plants are very nice Italian heirloom plant, and look around, get seeds from a reputable person, maybe someone from Etsy that has pictures of the plant, what it looked like beforehand, before they harvest the seeds from it, or just get a whole bunch and grow a whole bunch, and then out of those pick 2 or 3 or maybe one plant that is a true champ and save all the seeds from it. So may God bless you this day.